Good morning to everyone. Now I am going to teach you 7 rules of present simple. There are 7 rules in present simple. First point, to talk about things we do again and again as a habit. For example, he goes to college regularly. It is habit that he goes to college regularly. Suppose Namita usually admits her mistake. Okay. So when we use present simple form to talk about things you do again and again as a habit. He go to college regularly. Namita usually admits her mistakes. Mother goes to temple every day. Okay. Next point 2. To talk about present or permanent state or fact. For examples, say my elder brother works in a bank. My sister is a doctor. My sister is a doctor. So permanent state. My sister doctor, my elder brother works in a bank. Okay. Third point. To talk about laws of nature, general truth, scientific facts. Okay. Here 3 things. Laws of nature. For example, the sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. So it refers laws of nature. Generally, sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. Then general truth. Every person feels hungry. Okay. That is general truth. Every person feels hungry. Then comes scientific fact. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Light travels very fast. So these are the examples of scientific fact. Okay, so laws of nature, general truth and scientific facts. Next point. To talk about a planned future action or say to express a future event that is a part of fixed program. Okay. For example, say the Prime Minister arrives here tomorrow. Okay? I shall go to America next year. Our HSC examination begins next week. Okay. So these are the examples of that is present simple form we use in this point. Say here it is we use to point out the future time adverb we use here. For example, say tomorrow, next day, next week, next month, next year. Okay. This is the adverb, future time adverb. We use it in simple present form to point out future time. Okay. Tomorrow, next day, next week, next month, next year. Examples. The Prime Minister arrives here tomorrow. I shall go to America next year. Our HSC examination begins next week. Next point. 5. While giving running commentaries of sporting events or describing the process of something while it is happening. For example, Tendulkar runs to catch, but no, he drops the catch. And Virat Kohli gets 4 runs. 4 runs. For example, Tendulkar runs to catch, but no, he drops the catch. As a result, Virat Kohli gets 4 runs. Then, point 6. To introduce quotations about permanent state of fact. Quotations. For example, a thing of beauty is joy for ever. Thing of beauty is joy for ever. Arrive to others first, arrive to himself. A thing of beauty is joy for ever. Error to others, error to himself, to himself. They are the quotations which is used in present simple form. So, present simple form is in this such type of quotations. Another about little learning or say little knowledge is dangerous. Point 7, it is used in formal declaration. Okay, for example, I apologize for my mistake. Apologize for my mistake. I beg your pardon. Okay. So these are the 7 points we use present simple form. So present simple form is used in these 7 points. Okay. Those who are watching my video, thanks to all. Not to forget, subscribe, like and share it. Thanks to all.